Hey everyone, this is Matt King with the King Piers Team, out here with another update on our project in Harrisonville, Missouri. As you can see here, we are in the process of building back up this section. We're near the front of the house right now. So this one was still bowing a little bit too out for our liking, so we took the steps off that go up to the front floor of the house. We're getting this built back up. This will all be finished up and rebuilt by the end of this afternoon. Ideally, we'll be able to start facing it with new, fresh concrete mortar. If not finished today, it'll be finished tomorrow. And then once that's dry, as you know, we'll be able to use our white Drylock paint, completely paint over the newly mortared foundation wall here. You kind of take a quick look around. We've already done that to the majority of the walls here in this basement. The one in the back, we just finished up yesterday with the painting. You remember from our earlier videos this week how it was getting rebuilt. And really all that's, we still have a couple spots around here where we need to get some more mortar on there, just try to make it more straight. The walls are already the actual stone walls are straight, it's just the mortar over the top of them needs to be straightened out a little bit better. But that's should be fairly quick stuff. And then once this is all finished back here, we'll be able to get that set of steps in. And then once that wall's finished up, we'll be able to get that set of steps to go to the main floor taken care of also. As you know from all of our other videos, the other big portion of this project was our support beam installation. We have our 2 foot by 2 foot, 2 foot thick, high strength concrete footings, 6 by 6 treated wood support posts, keeping this properly supported and with that high strength concrete, we are trying to maximize the structural stability when we install these projects. And then we don't just leave the beams in there, let them sit on there. We go the extra mile, get everything properly secured, bolted. We don't want to leave anything to chance on these. So we have these two over here, 4 on this back part of the house, another 2 up front, last 2 over there, 8 in total. So that was the big part of the first part of this project, saw cutting the floor, getting everything excavated to pour that concrete. So we had a good base to build these support beams on. But other than that, we're moving right along. Really all that's left besides finishing up the mortar work, finishing up that wall, getting the steps back installed. If you look around here, we have a bunch of existing windows in place. The wood frames on these windows are leaning. We want to make those straight before we finish. So if you come closer, you kind of see how that wood frame is leaning outward. We want to get that installed back vertical and just make everything as neat as we possibly can for these customers. So still got a bit of work to do. With all that's left, I'd say we probably still should be finished up next week or so, probably five more days of work out here. So just stay tuned for more updates. You know where you can find all of our pictures, videos from all of our current and past jobs. You can go back and see the entire life of this project as well as all of our other projects if you just search for King Piers LLC on our YouTube or Facebook. And please give us a like and subscribe if you have not already. We really appreciate that. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. And you can always give us a call, 1-816-288-4373.